Hi there, welcome to Fyrepro. Come on in, take a look around.
Fyrepro has been serving area residents since 2002. We are the area's premier destination for fireplaces, stoves, fireplace inserts, fire features, grills, and outdoor kitchens.
This is the Cozy Heat Alpha 36S, 48,000 BTU, 74% efficient.
Our indoor showroom features many built-in burning models and is located at 4631 South Mason Street in Fort Collins, Colorado, on the southwest corner of Harmony and College Ave. Choose from stylish wood, gas, electric, or pellet-fueled units that offer great heating value with EPA-approved efficiency ratings. We have many top brands to select from, with tons of options that allow you to customize your look. Expert staff will help you determine the best fireplace, stove, insert, gas log set, grill, outdoor kitchen, or fire pit for your needs. Visit Fyrepro for accessories, gifts, tool sets, and parts too. We have a large warehouse that is full of products and is stocked weekly with our customers' latest orders. We hold the National Fireplace Institute certification to ensure the highest quality of workmanship and the safest, most efficient installations possible. You can count on Fyrepro for prompt, courteous, and professional service from us year-round. Our fully trained and certified technicians are licensed in all local areas to service, repair, and install our products. Our experienced team can travel to you and provide the telekivi of your dreams. Each telekivi wood-fired soapstone fireplace is made in Finland. These clean-burning fireplaces can be custom designed to fit your interior space and individual taste. Schedule a visit to the Fyrepro Outdoor Showcase to see some stunning custom fire features, fire pits, fire tables, and built-in kitchens that will add so much to your year-round enjoyment of the outdoors. We can create your new outdoor kitchen, complete with built-in grill, smoker, refrigerators, sinks, and counter space. When you choose Fyrepro, you can be sure of lasting quality and top service.